Sings the same, soprano alto. Only in page 26 to 27.
26, 27.
Measure 83 to 85. That
83.
is a bit hard.
Bring us joy, bring us comfort and joy. Eti, bring us hope. Bar 81.
Okay. Bar. Bring us comfort and joy. Uncle Matthew is 83, measure 83. Yeah. This is one.
Bring us
you just go back to the note of comfort. You see the note is alto is the, and then the alto is the bring us comfort and joy. Okay, it's the same. Can we sing that? Ready? How many beats? Two over two. 1, 2, 1.
bring us comfort and joy.
Okay, so this song is easy, I hope, but please take note of the breathing. Fill us with hope and love, bring us joy, bring us comfort and joy. You have to breathe. You don't say, bring us comfort and joy, bring us comfort and joy. You have to cut it.
Okay.
Because that's how the author, starting on page 20, right? Measure 17, bring us joy, bring us comfort and joy, bring us peace, joy and heavenly peace. Please breathe. Please stop. Okay? Please stop. Kingdom, kingdom, bring, kingdom, bring. It's hard, but yeah, I don't know why though. And then the ending soprano, it's the same note. Okay, we all make a mistake here.
27.
Page 27, measure 93. Bring us heavenly peace. It's the same note. You don't say heavenly peace. No. What's the note?
Heavenly peace.
No.
93.
Measure 93, page 27. Bring us heavenly peace. Some of it, heavenly peace. No. Bring us heavenly peace. Where are they? They're not yet coming back. Where are the guys?
Baka nandun sila. You call them by your microphone. Baka nandun.
Guys, if you can hear me, please come back. Please come back. Please come back.
We need you
So,
here.
bring us heavenly peace. We are together. Only the S1 and S2 will separate on page 26, 27. Now, when we go to in Royal David City, where's the in Royal?